Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. So today, besties, we are going to unbox this beautiful Saviland 50,000 RPM drill. I'm so excited to get it. Was super excited to get their message, and I'm very, very happy today to be unboxing our first PR, guys, our first PR on the channel. So that's really exciting. Guys, you already know I love Saviland. I've got their builder gel, their chrome powders. My favorite thing by them so far is that solid magic gel. So this is just one more of their things to go into the collection, and I'm super excited about it. As you can see, it's got a lot of features. We've got the 50,000 RPMs, which my current one only has 30. So that's pretty cool. It's got a super battery that lasts 12 hours. It has a great holder slot for either left or right-handed users. Oh my goodness. And 5 lighting color settings so that you know what you're doing. Okay, just at a glance. Let's pop her open. First though, guys, look at the hollow of the box. Ah, that's so attractive. So let's open her up. And here's your first thing from Saviland is a lovely welcome message, or thank you message, rather. So that's nice. You get the little booklet, which tells you all of the things about it, right? I will let you take a look at this if you should choose. So that's lovely. All right. It also gives you an explanation of what different kinds of drill bits are. So that's really nice. Okay. So let's start with the main. Well, these two together are the main parts, right? So I'm going to lift this so I can pop her out a little easier. Satisfying. Let's take a look. First thing, purple. I didn't pick purple. Somehow the gods must have told them, give her purple. Or maybe it was just accident of the hand. I don't know, but purple. It's got this, oh, that's nice. An on-off pause button. So, okay, I see. Oh, look at that. You can pause it so it won't work. That's the P. And then unpause it. So while you're at work, you can just clip it on and unpause it when you're ready to do some stuff. So that super battery, that really comes in handy. There's, I'm not sure what you'd need it to come out for. In, out. Maybe you're charging something? I don't know. That's cool. And a USB as well. And then the place where the little piece to put the hand piece in goes, that's nice. So that's the left-right thing. Let's go ahead and lift this out. Oh, this feels nice. That's fancy. Look at that. All right. Oh, it's just a little circle here. We have this little set that has a mandrel and some diamond bits in it with some bands. And then we have this that has the little, I think that's wool, right? Felted wool. Anyway, these are some other types of bits that you can use. And some ceramic bits. Look at this, guys. I'm just going to drop things if that's cool. Okay. Long nails do not make these things easy to come out. And, oh, look at that, a nice little flame. And I'm not sure what this one is called, but I bet that's really good for, like, up here at your cuticle when you're getting, like, for sealing the cuticle and whatnot. I'm going to guess. I don't know. You guys yell at me in the comments if you're like, Gigi, I know. Oops. That was my light. Okay, so underneath we have the cord. that connects in here. Very easy, very easy. And then this one on this side. Look at that. And oops, this can go on either side. Look at that. Let's put it on the other side as well. What? That just snaps right in. I love that. Okay, let's finish looking at the box and then we'll test how loud it is, right? You get some more sanding bands, which, guys, really, can you ever have too many of these? That's so great. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's nice. As you can see, my nails are not done. I thought we'd file a little bit together just to see how the drill works, right? Let's put it to the test. The charging cable and these lovely files, hand files. Because it doesn't matter how good a drill is, you are going to always be doing a little hand filing just for smoothing and whatnot. Right, let's pop her open. Guys, don't lose this, okay? This is important. You don't want dust and dirt and stuff to get in here. So always set this somewhere where it's easy for you to find it and you don't lose it. And then shut her up. There we go. Okay, let's unpause her. Oh, she was already going. Oops, my bad. Okay. Not too loud. Okay, blue is another color here. Red is when you start getting past the 3, or pink, and then red into the 4,000 to 5,000 range, or 50,000. But listen, it's still, that's not very loud. Compared to my other drill, this is quiet. I'm going to take her down to like 25, and let's see how she does. Let's start right here. Wow, wow. This is a lot of power. This is some power, guys. You definitely want to respect the power of the purple drill. But whoops, look at that, guys. Look at her go. Let's check the debulking. Oh, look at that. Wow. We've got this one that's too long. Let's try cutting through her. Oh, guys, did you see that? This one too. Whoa. Oh, whoa. And that's at half of its speed. Guys, I already love her. I thought, oh, I'm going to put her up until my old drill breaks. No. The old drill is retired because this is my new baby right here. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. This is impressive. Okay, besties. That is my initial thoughts on this beautiful drill. First, she is beautiful. Just the color, gorgeous. The way she feels in your hand is nice. If you were thinking, I really am in the market for a new drill, or you know somebody who loves nails who could use a new drill, I couldn't recommend this one any more highly. It is a really nice product. I think I'm going to get, I'm sorry, I just touched my microphone. I hope you didn't hear that. I think I'm going to get a ton of use out of her. And I'm going to enjoy every second of it. I think my hand is going to like her better. She's a little fatter than my other handpiece. But the power of this drill is just amazing. So I'm going to put a link down in the description so that you can go get this drill, which the last time I saw it was on sale. So check that out. You can get a discount by using my code GlamTones. All caps, I'll put it on the screen, GlamTones, over at Saviland.com. I'm pretty sure that's it, but if it's not, again, I'll have it on the screen. Also, the link will be in the description so that you can check this out and all their other great stuff. I'm going to go ahead and say this is a big thumbs up. This drill is a huge thumbs up from me. If I were grading it 1 to 5 right now, I'd give it a 5. I haven't used it more than what you just saw. So there's always room for ratings to change, but this is my favorite drill that I've used so far. And I am very much looking forward to incorporating this drill into my nail routines. So that's my highest recommendation. If I'm going to use it in my real life, I really like it. So check it out if you're interested in a drill or you know somebody who is. I am going to thank Saviland for sending this out to us, and thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe because these videos are coming up soon. See you then. Mwah! Bye-bye.